My experience being a Cutler Fellow has been fantastic. It's been a great way to meet some members of the community and spread what I've learned at the University of Miami in my classes to people in the area who might not be financially literate. And it's just been a really good feeling to help out in the local area.
So we had the volley session, which was at the Oyster Lifelong Center Institute, which is people who retired and want to keep learning for the rest of their lives. Also the Leap Hop, where it was with women who were previously incarcerated, which was also a very touching experience.
So I took away two very valuable lessons from this experience. The first being that people come from all sorts of financial backgrounds. A really valuable thing I learned is that no matter what your place is, there's always a way you can improve your current situation and work towards saving more, saving for retirement, improving your credit score, etc. An impactful part of this experience was being able to give the online seminars to people throughout the South Florida area. We were able to give these seminars to people who maybe were in the middle of a shift at work and had an extra hour to log in online, or maybe couldn't listen in but were able to receive the recording later on. Really giving anyone in the South Florida area the opportunity to listen to the information that we had to offer.
Yeah, it's very meaningful for me that the University of Miami is offering this type of opportunities. I feel like it says a lot about their commitment to the community and how they want to make everyone more educated. I feel like they're not only preparing us to be great professionals and to develop professionally for our own benefit, but also to become better human beings. And I feel like this space is helping achieve this.